In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank to HoneyBook. To get started, log into your HoneyBook account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This is where HoneyBook stores your account-level preferences and payment-related options. Inside Settings, select Bank Details. This section is specifically where you manage the bank account connected to your business for transfers and payment processing. When the page opens, click Add Bank Account to begin the setup process. Next, HoneyBook will ask you to enter your business information. Fill in the requested details carefully and make sure everything matches your official business records. Accuracy here is important because mismatched information can delay verification later on. After that, enter the bank account holder name exactly as it appears on the bank account. Then type in your routing number and your bank account number in the required fields. Take your time during this part because even a small typo can cause the connection to fail or create delays with deposits. Once all of that is entered, click Next to move forward. On the following screen, you'll be asked to provide the required business owner information. Complete each field as requested. And again, be sure the information is accurate and current. This step helps confirm identity and supports secure payment processing. After entering the owner details, continue to the verification process. Depending on your account and bank, this may involve confirming information, following identity verification prompts, or reviewing additional details. Just follow the on-screen instructions until the verification step is complete. When that's done, review the bank account details carefully before finalizing anything. This is your chance to double-check the account holder name, routing number, account number, and business information. If everything looks correct, click Save or Submit to send the information to HoneyBook. At this point, the bank account connection request will be processed, and you'll need to wait for the account verification to complete. In some cases, verification happens quickly, while in others, it may take a little longer. If you don't see an immediate confirmation, give it some time and check back in the bank details section. Finally, return to bank details and confirm that the bank account shows as connected. Once you see that status, your setup is complete and your bank has been successfully linked to HoneyBook. Thanks for watching.